If you want to set up an automated follow-up system with CrankWheel, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to do it, and we'll cover some insights along the way. Stick with me until the end for a special offer and a couple of better alternatives you may want to consider. First, let's dive right in. CrankWheel is great for capturing leads, but setting up an automated follow-up system requires a few steps to make sure it's streamlined and efficient. You'll need to integrate it with your CRM system to automatically follow up with leads who show interest. CrankWheel does have some automation features, but it's not as powerful on its own for follow-up as some other tools. Next thing, make sure your CRM is synced. CrankWheel allows integration with popular CRMs like HubSpot, Salesforce, and others. This way, when a lead interacts with your screen share, their information can be pushed straight into your CRM. Then, you can set up workflows that automatically trigger follow-up emails or messages. This is key, especially if you're not always able to follow up right away. The third thing, use CrankWheel's smart screen sharing to send personalized follow-up links. This means that once a lead has interacted with your initial call, you can send them a follow-up screen sharing link, which they can click on later for further details. By automating this process, you're ensuring that no lead gets left behind, but it's something that requires setting up follow-up rules within your CRM and CrankWheel. Next up, you'll want to take advantage of CrankWheel's analytics. After a call, CrankWheel gives you data about how the lead interacted with your screen, including how long they watched, what they clicked on, and more. This allows you to tailor your follow-up messages based on their level of interest, ensuring that your outreach is not just generic but personalized. The fifth thing, and this is crucial, set up automated reminders. You can't rely entirely on your CRM to trigger the right follow-up actions. CrankWheel's built-in notifications and reminder system can help you automate tasks for your team, so they never miss out on a chance to engage with a lead. The last thing you need to know, automated follow-up is not a one-size-fits-all solution. While CrankWheel's system works for some businesses, if you need more robust automation features, especially when it comes to multi-channel follow-ups, you might want to explore some alternatives. That's where other platforms, like Go High Level or even HubSpot, come into play, providing much more advanced, customizable workflows and automation features that CrankWheel just doesn't have at this time. So, while CrankWheel is great for setting up basic follow-up systems, there are better solutions out there for the goal of scaling your follow-up process. I've linked to some exclusive trials for these tools below, which will allow you to get a better, more flexible follow-up system set up with no risk. If you're looking for even better results, check out the link in the description for a more advanced platform that's designed for follow-up automation. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial, plus exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Let me know in the comments which tool you're using for follow-ups and if CrankWheel worked for you, or if you're looking to try something new.